Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm working with the Dandelion kit from Cute Cut Crafts. It is a Canadian Etsy shop that you can get all kinds of planner stickers for different types of planners, and I am doing a memory keeping scrapbook layout in my Erin Condren Colorful Vertical. I take a combination of pictures and full boxes, and then I memory keep throughout the week. Here are some pictures that I took on a walk. If you look at this really cute leaf that's frozen in the ice, that was something that I walked on my regular route for my work to go read a meter, and I saw this house. Like, I went and I read the meter, and I saw this in a frozen puddle on the ground of the house, and I thought, I have to go back and take a picture of that. So I did go back and take a picture, and then I also took a picture of how many steps I took that day. So this was 21,315 steps in my work day. And I also created some Happy Mail. I created and received. So this is some Happy Mail that I received, and these are some of the Happy Mails that I created. So when I was kind of getting a layout in mind for this collection, I realized that I don't have quite enough boxes from this one full box set, and I have a lot of other full boxes that I have bought for up and coming weeks, but I really didn't want to mix them, and it's such a strong theme and color that I actually decided that I am going to just create some sort of a little message up here with my, let's see this here, so with my rub-ons. So I thought this was cute, and if I could just put a happy birthday across the top, I have lots of different options for that. Happy birthday. That kind of might look good there, that one. So then I could start gluing this down. So there's so many different birthday, actually this one might even be good. That fits there perfectly, okay. So I'm just gonna cut that. Happy birthday for the top. And that will look good right there. Let's move these around. Just trying to balance out things. I like, so this all has sort of a rusty orangish look to it, so I'm trying to sort of distribute that equally. And I think that layout might be good. I can start adhering these things down. I've gone ahead and pre-journaled all of the little boxes on the bottom, except for today, because it's still in progress, and I'm not sure what I would like to specifically keep in mind for today. But all of the other things can be filled in because they've already happened. So there's so much news in the media right now, really surrounding, what's going on in the world. Here in Canada, we have very few cases of the virus that's taking place worldwide, and it's kind of unsettling to see everything unfold around us, and we are hopefully going to learn from other countries and what has worked for them and what hasn't worked, and try to get ahead of everything so we can stop the spread and sort of, protect our healthcare system and allow for, infections to slowly spread and develop so that people can get care without overwhelming our healthcare system. So I think that's a good strategy. They officially announced in Canada, in Ontario where I am, that they're going to actually close the schools down 2 weeks after March break. I think this is a really good idea because, especially for families who had travel plans with vacations in mind, if they go away and then they pick up something and then they come back and then the kids are very good at spreading things around, it's only going to worsen things. So if we cancel 2 weeks of school after the March break, then it kind of gives anyone who may have been affected a chance to stay at home and keep this thing from spreading too quickly. Yeah, it's really heartbreaking to see all the things that are going on around the world. And it's just, I guess time will tell as to how this all is going to be resolved, because I don't think it's going to be a quick fix. I think we're in for the long haul with this. So it's nice to do things like we have here, these amazing hobbies of paper crafting. It helps to keep us happy and cheerful, and it's something that we can do in the comfort of our own homes, and having an outlet like Instagram or YouTube to share our creations is a good way of connecting with other people and really having sort of that socialized kind of aspect without actually coming into contact with people. So I think paper crafts are going to be, a good coping mechanism for anyone who is, self-isolating or needing to be quarantined, or anyone that is finding themselves at home with less activities to do because a lot of things are being canceled. Because the schools are actually going to close for 2 weeks, that actually means that, my volleyball, which is run through the schools, will be canceled. And my son's soccer, that is taking place through the schools, will be canceled. And, they've already started to close our libraries, our theaters, anywhere you will see numerous people gathering to try to get ahead of this thing. So it's, I think, a good idea. It certainly is what I could say seems to be the consensus among countries who didn't take quick action and waited for things to develop before they started to sort of lock down and keep a social distance. So I wish good luck to us all, and I hope that everyone who needs help gets help, and that we try to still remember our neighbors and friends and family, and take care of each other through these tough times. Okay, so that is it there. I'm really happy with the way that this turned out. I actually really like how this top box has become a sentiment, and the the pictures. So this day here was all about walking. Looks like I should take that down a little bit better. So it was funny that I took a picture of something I saw on my route as well. I actually have a part of my route that takes me to a conservation area where I usually see a lot of deer, and I was kind of hoping that I would use this layout for that week, but it was actually last week and I didn't see the deer, so I didn't have any good pictures of them. I'll leave a link for my discount code down below. If you want to receive my free sampler and 15% off, you can use code TONY15. As I started to take the pictures, I realized a little something was missing, and that is these fun little pops of black all throughout. I wanted to really pick up on the theme of the week, focus on what's important. You know, I just want to make nice things. Everything has beauty. I really wanted to almost use this like look on the bright side, send like positive messages, think about the positive things. Make a difference is another good one. We could add that one in as well. Make a difference. There we go. I really like these little pops of color all throughout. I could even put one here. Remember this fun leaf that was there. And remember to, stop and notice the little things in life. So, thank you once again for watching. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you here. I do a different video every week showcasing a new kit from Cute Cut Crafts and show you how I use it to memory keep. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you again next time.